One of the types of hemolysis that we can see on blood agar is called beta hemolysis. And that's where the hemolysins that the bacteria produce completely lyse the red blood cells around the bacterial growth. Now remember, blood agar normally looks red and opaque because of the red blood cells in the agar. If the bacteria produce hemolysins that lyse the red blood cells, then they will lyse the red blood cells and cause the agar to become clear around the growth. So we can see on this particular beta bacterium that around the individual colonies in here, we see what looks like a clearing halo that's starting to go through the agar. That's where the hemolysins produced on the surface by the bacteria are making their way down through the agar and lysing the red blood cells. In a couple of days, that would become totally clear. Now, the reason we stab blood agar is so we see more hemolysis faster. So notice where the agar was stabbed, we can see complete hemolysis overnight. Both the hemolysins that are inactivated by oxygen and those that are not inactivated by oxygen are functioning when you stab the agar, and so you see more hemolysis faster. So that's your basic beta hemolysis, and although you don't need to remove the lid to see this, I'm going to take it off so you can see the hemolysis a little more clearly without the reflection from the Petri plate lid. And again, you can see that nice little halo around the tiny colonies where you're starting to get beta hemolysis, and then where the agar was stabbed, you see complete lysis where all the red blood cells have been lysed. So that's beta hemolysis.